Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. So if you've had people who you've blocked in the past, you can easily go ahead and unblock them. And if you have done it on your phone and you want to do it on your PC, this is the perfect tutorial for you. Once you're in Facebook on your computer, click your account on the upper right hand side and click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. You may see that you have some of the most recent settings. One of them is blocking. If you're not able to see this, you can use the search here to type it in, or the search here on the left hand side to type it in. So if you are checking on this section, just simply type in blocking and you will find blocking, as you can see it. Or you can use this section here and type in blocking and you will see it appear as well, and you can click on blocking. Now click on where it shows blocking profiles and pages, click on edit, and you will see two options: one to add to the block list and to see your block list. Click on see your block list and you'll see the people who are the people or persons who you've blocked, and you can just simply click on unblock and confirm, and that's it. You unblock the person, and that's it guys.